All right, what do we got here? This is the New York Times Connections. It's a fun little square game where you have to find 4 words that are related to each other and then another 4 words that are related to each other until you've used all of the little squares.
Are you ready? Let's step.
What they might try and trick you with is something like gum, soda, tape, and some. Or gum, some, rum, and then they don't have another word. Oh, hum. So this could just be a fool's errand in that it's not truly what the answer is. Words might not be true. Because there is stuff like sum, count, gross, and total. For example, hum, scat, whistle, and sing. Okay. Lime, mint, soda, and rum are all for how you get a Mai Tai. Dude, are they referencing me? Is this a Hamfreeze reference? If this is Mai Tai ingredients, it's official that the New York Times is catching on to me. I think this is going to be the hardest answer. I think this is the purple right here. Dude, they know that I play. They know that I play. Blue? You sure about that? Why did they put... Oh, it's mojito, not Mai Tai. I'm an idiot. Gum, glue, stick, and tape. Gum, glue, stick, and tape. All sticky things. What do you think is the hardest one? That one seems hard. Sing, hum, whistle, scat seems simple. I'm gonna do this one. Purple? Okay. Things that are sticky. Why did they put that in front of the other? Count, gross, sum, total. Do you think that's easier than scat, sing, hum, whistle? Count, gross. Yeah, I think it's, yeah. All right. Well, we almost did a perfect reversal, but not quite. And that's okay. We're happy with a near perfect reversal. G minor. All right, what next? Letterboxd?